So, yeah, I guess I fixed it. Pain in the butt. Come on, step up, Miko. Good boy. Now, don't do that. There we go. What you doing? He's a lot bigger than Tweety, isn't he? No, don't do it again. Speaking of Tweety. Hi, Tweety. Where are you going? Come on. Where are you going? Oh, there he goes. Hi, Tweety. Bye, Tweety. There you go. Miko's there. Gotta go get Tweety before the cat gets him. Hi, Tweety. Come on. Go play with toys. Go play with toys. Good boy. And Miko's there. He's gonna start biting my feathers again in a second, I'm sure. He loves those feathers. Constantly have to tell him no. I know it says that they're supposed to be the same size, but to me, Miko is bigger than Tweety. Hi, Miko Kai. What you got? What? You gonna bite Mommy? No? Don't go after my camera again, okay? Good boy. Watch, this is funny. Let me see if I can do it. Look. Watch him. Give me a kiss. Good boy. Mwah. Good boy. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Good boy. See? He gives kisses, and he's very gentle. He's a sweet baby. He is. Yeah. He's a sweet baby. Hi, Miko. What are you doing? That's Mommy's finger. Hey, don't bite that. Hey. Good boy. Where are you going, Miko? Don't bite that. Hey, that's my nail. You can't take that off. I'd like it if you wouldn't, anyway. Oh, now you don't want to get down? He doesn't want to get down. Don't bite the camera again. No. You already almost broke it. Mommy had to fix it. Yeah? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey. That actually doesn't hurt. You wanna give Mommy a kiss now? Give Mommy a kiss. Hey. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. What have you got there? That's my finger. Here. Step down. Step down. Good boy. Good boy. Alright. Come here, Tweety. Come here. Come on. Look. Come on. Nope, that's ugly. Mommy, rub your face. Rub your face. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. What are you doing? Want to step up? Good boy. See how much bigger Miko is than Tweety? Nope, we play nice. Is it just me though? I mean, maybe it is. I don't know. To me, Miko looks a lot bigger than Tweety. No, that's definitely not just me. Where are you going, Miko? They're just playing. They don't get along so good together, so I keep them a little separate. Right now I know their cages are not that far apart, but they're good. They stay away from each other. Miko wants to go back in his cage. Here you go. Where are you going? Here, how about you step up? Step up. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Now he does fuss a little bit. He wants his door closed and me to go away. So watch. See? I go away and he hushes. He's happy. He likes his cage. That's the loudest he ever gets. He's really not that loud. Hi, Miko. Hi, Miko. Not happy. Mommy's bothering him. Okay. So, I love you. And I miss you. I do. I got the kitchen is mostly taken care of. And we had the bug guy come in yesterday. That was a lot of fun. Tweety got a new toy today. That's who was at the door. See? There's his new toy. He doesn't like it, but Miko does. What you do is you hang it. It's like a thing. I don't know. You hang it like whatever. And they're supposed to climb in it, and it's got the big bell. Tweety hates it. He's scared. And Miko likes it, so what I might do is take one of the smaller toys that Miko has and give that to Tweety and give this bigger toy to Miko. I didn't know it was that big when I got it. It wasn't that expensive. Only a couple of dollars. But yeah, anyways. So, that's what's going on.